Hi, I'm Ken from Crypto Trading KS. It's great to see you again. Let's run the numbers. Bitcoin currently down 0.18% to 59,523. Ethereum down 1.12% to 4375. My goal is to assist you to be more of a financial blessing to yourself and those you love, and also gain real wealth in the process. I wanted to try something slightly different with you today. When we look at the 7-day percent gainers, we can see Gala, Rose, Crypto.com, and then when we go the other way, the greatest 7-day percent losers, we can see Loopring, Sushi, Phantom, and so on. Let's have a look at the top movers first. We can see Gala. What an incredible chart. So much power inside Gala. We've got support at 23,205 and the current price is coming back to a level of support at the current price, which is 35,862. We can see Rose. Rose looks like it's just starting to get going. If it can repeat Gala's process, we have support at 29,052. Current price is 38,960. Like Gala, Crypto.com, CRO, has been doing incredibly well. We can see a few levels of support. Current price, 73.90. We have a level of support at 54.83 and also further down at 34.99. We can see a very powerful uptrend. It's just getting over an upward support level as well. So that's looking really positive. As with everything, please do your own research. I'm not endorsing any of these top movers, just showing you that they exist and going just a little bit more deeply into them. We can see Sand. Sand is in a powerful uptrend and has actually bypassed a level of upward support. That's really quite healthy. There's a lot of support at 266.57. The current price is 394.15. Remember that these top gainers can wobble around quite a lot, so just be aware of long tail rejections. And of course, explosive movements as we're seeing in CRO and Rose. Let's have a look at EGLD. EGLD is looking really good. It has very solid support at 313.61. It's also bypassed upward support at around the 401 level. It's currently trading at 423.29. When we look at WAXP, it has a level of support at 59.81 and it's coming back to the current upward support line. Its price is now 81.32. As a community, we don't chase price. Have a look at Sand. If we just take a percentage measure down to that particular retracement, that came down 41.72%. It's really important to note that you can always buy it at a lower price. Just because something is getting away doesn't mean it doesn't come back. You can see with Sand, it certainly does. Don't FOMO in. That is the key. Just let price come to you. Let's have a look at Flow. Flow has been exploding up. It's part of the top 8 gainers. Really interesting price chart. We've got a lot of negative action on Flow. Quite substantial support at 13.15 and 12.14. A lot of people see these really explosive charts and just want to go all in. I never suggest going all in. You always need dry powder to buy the dips and you'll get plenty of them. Let's have a look at Mana. Mana is currently trading at 377.60. It has very good support at 289.132. Just pay a little bit of attention to this drawdown from the top to that bottom. From there down to there was approximately 53%. That retracement actually coincided with some upward support lines. This is why drawing support and resistance is incredibly important. When price hits support, we believe probabilistically that it will bounce. That's what support is for. When it hits resistance, probabilistically it will bounce down. That is what resistance is for. Let's turn now to the top negative movers. We can see LRC, Loop Ring. Loop Ring has had a very powerful uptrend and is now retracing. It makes sense that these very powerful movers will move from the positive movers into the negative movers and probably back again. We just have to keep our eye on things. Loop Ring is coming back to support at 213.90. It's currently 244.50 and has a very good looking chart. Sushi is the number 2 negative mover. We can see it's under resistance. Phantom was doing incredibly well previously, but is under current resistance. We'll just keep our eye on how this plays out. OMG was doing also very, very well, but collapsed in terms of price. It got under this particular support line, it turned to resistance and then some. Let's have a look at NIA. NIA is currently under resistance as well. Litecoin is under resistance but coming back into pretty heavy support. We expect support around the 22 mark, and there's lower support at 175.80. There's also quite a bit of support around the $200 mark. Kadena was doing incredibly well recently, but it's now joined the top negative movers, and you can understand why. These very powerful uptrends create very powerful corrections, so they will cycle between the negative movers and the positive movers. If this kind of analysis is interesting or helpful to you, I know it's very new for the channel, please let me know and I can continue it. Let's have a look at Chiliz. Chiliz is currently under resistance, but we can see that there is quite nice support at 31.92. There's also support at 39.06. When you have a look at these top negative 8 movers, is there any particular negative mover that you think will turn around? And perhaps just share your logic or your reasons why in the comments. There's actually a very good setup in here, but it would be good if you can actually point it out to yourself. A very important rule is Rule 41, layer by positions. What this actually means, if for example you wanted to go into Gala, you could buy a percentage of the amount that you wish to put into Gala around the current price, not at the current price. Never use market price. Always seek to lower the average buy-in price. Even though you're buying up at higher prices, there's a difference between buying at 50 cents and a difference between buying at 30 cents. You lower the average buy price when you don't buy at 50, when you buy lower. And then you want to catch these long tail rejections. You can see like what happened with sand. That was quite a percentage, I would say discount, but it was a quite powerful move down. You're always going to get these powerful moves down in these powerful up move coins. It's just the way it goes. So you can actually layer down to the next support level, or if you're feeling really adventurous, layer down a little bit more. You don't want to layer down so many levels that you won't be reached. Also, pay particular note of the exchange fees. Exchange fees can eat you alive if you're not on the right exchange. I've actually provided some links to exchanges. Another really good rule to remember is that opportunities reset daily. This, just like in life, opportunities in the crypto market are constantly resetting. That's why I think this could be really beneficial to the community to walk through the top gainers and the top losers. Please let me know in the comments if you think this is useful. Many people think that the crypto market is an incredibly easy way to make money. It is not. Crypto is quite stressful. Rule 774, master yourself to master the market. As a community, we go for much more than just financial wealth. Financial wealth is critically important, Absolutely. But so too is inner and outer peace, fulfillment, meaning, purpose, fearlessness, courage, honor, kindness. All of these things are the special sauce that really make life worth living. Investors and traders always battle anxiety, and that anxiety can often stem from self-sabotage and self-doubt, knowing that you are worthy and completely and utterly unique. There's never going to be another person like you. That immediately creates the position where you deserve kindness, you deserve love and meaning and every success in life. And more so, you deserve financial success and real wealth. I hope you found the content useful. Please consider sharing and liking this video if you think it will help others. Thank you very much to our moderators for keeping our community safe from scammers. Please say hi and let me know where you're viewing from and if you have any questions. If you would like daily updates on price movements in the crypto market, please subscribe to YouTube. I've left helpful links in the description of this video. Please remember, crypto is volatile. Always prepare yourself for the best and worst case scenarios. Reality will likely be between them. Stay safe out there, take care, and see you next time. Bye for now.